and build, come and play. We're making something great today.
One little block, solid and square. We place it down with extra care. Two little blocks, 1 and 2. See what building we can do. 3 makes a bridge, look at that. Strong and sturdy, never flat. 4 blocks high, reaching for the sun. Building bridges is so much fun. 5 little blocks all in a row. Watch our magic bridge grow and grow. Use your fingers, soft and slow. That's the way to make it grow.
A bridge, a house, or a tall, tall tree. Use your imagination, just like me. Clap your hands, you're doing great. Building things is worth the wait. Blocks are for building, not for a snack. Keep them out of your mouth and put them back. We don't throw, we don't toss. Being safe makes you the boss. Wash your hands, keep them clean. The neatest builder we've ever seen. Tidy up time, one by one. Put them away when we are done. A bridge, a house, or a tall, tall tree. Use your imagination. You're so smart, you've done so well. But we have so much more to tell. We are learning alphabets and words. Are you ready? Jam. J-A-M. Jet. J-E-T. Jet. Jug. J-U-G. Jug. Key. King. King. K-I-N-G. Lamp. L-A-M-P. Lamp. Leaf. L-E-A-F. L-I-I-O-N. Lion. L is for lion. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Milk. M-I-L-K. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Moon. Nail. N-A-I-L. Nail. Nest, nest, nest. N-E-S-T. Nest. Look at the little glowing eggs. Net. Net. N-E-T. Net. Orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Owl. O. W. L. Owl. Pan. P. E. A. N. N. Pen. Parrot. P-A-R-R-R-O-T. Parrot. Ben. B-E-N. Ben. Queen. Q-U-E-E-N. Queen. Queen. Question. Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N. Question. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Robot. R-O-B-O-T. B-O-T. Ship. S-H-I-P. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Sun. Table. T-A-B-L-E. T-R-A-A-I-N. Train. Train. Tree. T-R-E-E. Tree. Tree. Umbrella. Unicorn. U-N-I-C-O-R-N. Unicorn. Uniform. U-N-I-F-O-R-M. Uniform. Van. V-A-N. Van. Violin. V-I-O-L-I-N. Violin. Violin. Water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. X-ray. X-R-A-Y. X-ray. Xylophone. X-Y-L-O-P-H-O-N-E. Xylophone. Yarn. Y-A-R-N. Yarn. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-L-O-W. Zebra. Z-E-E. Bay. R. Zebra. A. Zebra. Zigzag. Z-I-G-Z-A-G. Zigzag. Zoo. Z-O-O. Zoo. Good job today.
Yeah.
You learned letters and blocks. I am proud of you. Please subscribe and learn more with me.